All right, welcome back, my traders. Welcome to our Super Tuesday Forex Trading Week. So today I'm gonna be showing you how you guys can make easy $100 to $200 a day trading Forex simply by trading our multiple time frame rules. It's very straightforward. So this business is not hard if you put a plan to work for you. Not you don't work for the plan. Let the plan execute your trade exactly how you set up your plans. It's that simple. So we are gonna be concentrating once again on 4 hours daily, weekly, monthly, because that is the only larger 4 time frames that Forex has on their platform. They don't have 6 months. They don't have 1 year, 2 year, 4 year. They don't have none of that. So we cannot study anything that they don't have. So we're gonna go ahead and do it exactly the way how they have it. Let me go ahead and bring my epic pen because that is something that I must have in my trading here. All right, let me go ahead, bring this it. I don't know what that is. Okay, let me move this here. Perfect. Perfect. All right, so this is, guys, let me know if you do have any questions so I can wrestle your question right away so we can go ahead and knock it off. And I want to make sure that you today get something valued from this class. If I need to dedicate and concentrate more time on any of your topic, this is the time where we need to concentrate and ask questions, because so far I'm making pips. I did a class yesterday with a private one-on-one with another trader, and he asked me a very good question. He said, Irvin, do you usually have some trade weeks that goes against you? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But unfortunately, the last over 2 months and a half, to be honest, I have not have anything going against me because I'm just because of the election, I didn't know what to do. So I had 3 different accounts, one that I scalp every day, and that pay off. I make easily anything from $100 to $800 a day, every single day, week after week after week. I'll be showing you guys the spreadsheet. Like today, I think it's like 500, 600 and something, $627, but I don't have that $7 on my chart. So I have to run it up to the 620. But I'm gonna show you that, as we go. I'll be giving you guys proof, evidence, real time. What I'm doing is just simple. It's just because I follow the rules. First thing I do is I always ask myself 3 questions. Let me go ahead and give you the 3 questions that I ask myself every time that I trade on the market. This is the 3 questions that I make sure I ask myself, and are the following. First question is, what is my master trend doing? Am I doing a pullback? I'm doing going with bullish or bearish? You need to figure out what is your master trend doing. Second question that you must ask. These 3 questions here is everything in Forex, guys. You master these 3 questions, that's it. No one can ever fool you in this business. So then you ask yourself, what is my 4 hours real time? Because all it matters is real time. What is real time 4 hours in daily doing? Is it doing a pullback? Is it going with the trend? What is it? You need to figure it out. And the last question that you need to ask yourself is, what is your real time 4 hours doing? Again, is it doing a PV? Is it going with the trend? If you cannot figure out these 3 questions, you will never, ever understand what the market is doing. Because this is the secret where the money is gonna direct you where you're gonna be executing your trade. And you're gonna make your decision based on the 4 hours in the daily time frame, and then boom, you just get in on any of your lower time frame. It could be 1 hour, 30 minutes, 50 minutes, 5 minutes. It doesn't matter. You have to have a plan. The plan has to work for you. You don't need to be working for the plan. The plan has to follow your strategy, the way you plan everything. And then this is how I do it. For instance, let's pay attention in here. Someone asked me, I don't remember, Fernando asked a question, but I don't remember which pair it was, the one he asked. because it seems like the monthly was a bit off on his chart, so the weekly was missing. So we stated, I think, was still in a buy position, or they were saying they was in a bearish position. That is very important. That is rule number one. In this scenario here, see, all the time frames are rolling as a bearish market. So we ask ourselves, what is our master trend doing? So in this scenario here, all we're doing is we're selling. So you cannot be going for a bullish market. Obviously, in real time, this guy was selling, was giving us a what? It was giving us a PV. The second question we ask is, what is a real time brothers and sisters doing for hours and daily in this scenario here? They were doing a PV. So simple as that. This is a PV. So now, this is all we care. We just want to sell. All this sell. This is what we want. Real time, this is what we want. If you were to be in this PV, sure, the PV was very strong, but you need to understand where is the market heading. If you can't figure it out, that is nothing will work on your favor. And then please, guys, watch the video that I do on the weekend. That will help you to become a better trader. If you can't figure it out, you know, and go through it, those videos, is nothing in this business will help you. And please stop going from one location to another location, because that will get you confused. What I mean is stop going from one telegram to another telegram, or either getting signal from this company, getting another signal from other company. Sometimes you need a break. You just need to, you know, disconnect your mind from the market and be you. Find your niche. What kind of trader you want to be? So the downside today, guys, I wish the downside here is my KV is at 19%. You know what? Let me go ahead and do something, because it is acting up very, very slow. And let me see. Let me go ahead and stop this. How do you stop? Let me stop this live streaming and see if we get back to business. If not, then I don't know what I'm going to do with you guys. But I want to show you today, man. Today it is super easy. Unfortunately, look at that. Boom. All right, perfect. So I cut off the live streaming. All right, so look at this one, guys. I don't remember. I think Fernando is here already. If Fernando, you were asking one of your pair, I think the master trend was doing wrong. It was all messed up. So if you're here, let us know so we can go ahead and help you. But pay attention in here. Look at here. First question we ask ourselves. Let me go ahead and bring you the 3 questions that you need to ask yourself. First question that you must ask yourself is the following. Let me make this smaller. Right. What is it? What is your master trend doing? Well, master trend in this scenario here is bearish. Then you can just write bearish in there. Then real time, the next question is, what is your real time for the hours and daily doing? Well, and this one is bearish. So this is the type of trades you will need to be trading with. And then the last question you ask yourself is, what is my real time for the hours and doing? Well, in here it's giving us a PV, right? It's giving us a PV. Now, everything is going with based on your rules, except the PV could be a very small. PV is not gonna go. It's not gonna override the previous brothers and sisters in this scenario with the magic arrow. It will not. So in here, we're just looking for sell position. Then okay, now that we know where the market is heading, all we got to do is zoom in 3 times, right? Zoom out 3 times. Then you go back to reality, and then you're going to get to see the picture clean. Let me see. My chart is acting up, man, but bear with me. If it works. But and another thing, guys, please always zoom out completely it out of your chart and look at the picture from far away, because to be honest, that is the way you will figure out what is the trend doing. Because sometimes people blow out the chart. Sometimes you guys, man, I will not lie. Sometimes you guys send a screenshot of your trade, but you blowing up those candle all the way they can't even tell what the trend is doing. So sometimes I just don't say anything because I mean, 'cause I just don't want to put nobody on the spot. But this is the opportunity to remind you right now that please don't do that. I mean,
Irving,
yes, sir.
quick question. So this AUDNZD, if you were to zoom out completely, is that a bullish trend or a bearish trend?
It's a
Because
bearish trend.
it's a bearish trend
Right.
because it's
Because we saw the 4 hours,
Mhm.
daily, weekly, and monthly was all together. So basically, you put in the rules. Let me bring the
So
cheat sheet.
just can you push this chart so you zoom out?
Sure,
So
that's what I'm trying to do. But look at that.
see,
Can you see it?
I can see that it's hit the top. So
No,
the
no,
white.
that's not what I want you to answer. All right, let me go because I want you to become a pro.
Yeah.
Now, listen to the first question. Read the first question. What is your master trend doing? Why are you supposed to be looking here?
Okay. So in terms of the master trend, am I looking on the 10th of August?
Now you're looking for 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. They
Right.
all are lined up in this area here. So the
Yeah.
trend here is clean, a
Right.
bearish
Okay.
position. That's what I put bearish in there.
Okay.
Then the next question, because remember, all you care here, you want to trade only. Let me go ahead.
Sells.
Let me delete this and bring this. All you care is only what is going to happen tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You don't
Yeah.
care what happens yesterday, Monday. You don't care what happened last week. No one is gonna make money that way. You make money what's coming. So the next question you ask yourself is, what is your real time brothers and sisters doing for hours and daily? What is it?
Sell.
Sell. Exactly. So now you got two going on your favor.
Mm-hmm.
So the last question you ask is, now, what is my real time for hours doing? What is it?
It's doing a PB at the
Is
moment.
doing a PV. Now everything's matched. So it's remember 4 hours is only one day time frame. Then
Mm-hmm.
here you want to go with the trend. This is what everyone is doing. You seeing it, is selling it. You
Mm-hmm.
seeing the picture clean because you zooming out from the chart. If you let me go ahead and delete this, all this drawing, and get back to now that we know where we're heading. Now it's easy to identify. So now you become the sniper, right? So
Right.
now let me go ahead and bring it here. Look at here. Where is the market going? Supposedly, look, supposedly is going is doing that PV. But look at this. It's going like from this area here, cannot break it. Going bing, 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 and still playing in that area. Because we know everybody's doing what? Everybody is selling,
Selling. Yeah.
right? So look, if I would have had to tell you in the beginning of this trend here, yes, you would have entered in here. This is where the money is. You would have cashed all that in right now. This could be your right now. Maybe you would have moved your trailing stop somewhere in this location here. If
Yeah.
this spike out, it will take you out, fine. But most likely, what the market is gonna do is gonna continue back down. Everybody's selling. This is it, guys.
Yeah. So for this, I mean, if I wasn't in a trade, where would I look to enter a trade for AUDNZD?
Well, right now it's too late.
Yeah.
It's too late. There's no opportunity.
Mm-hmm.
So what you can do is wait for the reversal, this reversal to be over. And
Right.
most likely it may go a few more candles up, right? If it spike out, it's gonna spike out to your 38 Fibonacci line.
Mm-hmm.
So in this, let's say it will come to the 38 Fibonacci line. What do you think you need to see on the 38 Fibonacci line in order for you to say, okay, now I'm gonna get in.
Brothers and sisters coming
No,
down.
brothers and sisters already happens.
Oh, okay.
It will comes only once. So now you need to see this guy here. See that? That
I
red
can't
arrow?
see where.
You see my mouse right here, right on the left? So a red arrow need to pop in this location here.
Yeah.
Letting you know, okay, now we are
Selling.
down. Now, because you are late, that's the question you just asked. Where should I enter? It's too late. Don't
Okay.
even try it. Don't try it at home. It's too dangerous. Stay away. Yeah,
Cool.
but this is it. I mean, it's that simple. This is simple. Let's do one more example. Let me go ahead and remove this out of my chart. This is clear to you?
Hi, Aaron. Look, I think it would be really a good example, the USD CHF.
Okay, USD CHF. Perfect. Let me go ahead and delete this. Who's this again?
That was me, my daughter.
Okay. All right. So all right, let me go. First question you ask yourself. Let me go ahead and bring that cheat sheet, right?
Yeah, the reason I'm saying that would be a good example because the pullback actually was lower than the master trend. That's why I think it would be for everybody.
No. That's
Very
not.
useful.
This is a question that I think Fernando did ask early this morning because I think on his chart was not making sense. He did the question he asked. It was a very nice question because he asked exactly what you're seeing right now. You're seeing right now, it seems like it's in a what? It's in a buy position. But for some reason, the rules are not clean in this scenario here. What do you see here? Now that
Yeah, by the candles and everything in the master trend, it was supposed to be bullish. Yeah,
exactly.
yeah, but
it's a
what I'm saying, it's a good example that the pullback, it was so deep that it was lower than the master arrows.
no. Look, it's not. I don't know what it's showing you in your chart, but in my chart here, it's not giving us a buy position clean yet. We need to see all the time frame line up together. And here we're jumping from the daily, boom, to the month. So what are you missing? You're missing the weekly. Where is it? It's nowhere to be found. So overall here,
You mean the white arrow, yeah?
Yes. So this guy here still in a downtrend.
Okay.
That's what I was thinking. Like it's still
that's
going.
What I was thinking, what I'm missing. I thought sometimes they are both together, and if they both together, so the blue line is on the top and you can't see the white one. I thought it's on the bottom.
You will see it. You will see it. You will see it.
Okay, gotcha. Understood then. Yeah.
So this guy here still in a downtrend. Look at the magic, guys. Look at how multiple time frame give you the heads up before anything comes out. All right, so this is a really good question because this is exactly what Fernando addressed to you earlier this morning, and he was right. And sometime, please, when you send the screenshot, this is how you need to send the screenshot, guys. Don't blow it out way too much because you will never understand what the market is doing. So look at here. It's clean. We get to see 4 hours daily. And what else do you see in there? Who was that individual? Look at that. What else do you see at real time right now?
So, well, now it's gonna go down, yeah?
Yeah, it's 3 time frame kissing that 0 Fibonacci line. That is where the market, that is your sell zone, buy zone. Look at that, gorgeous, guys. This is gorgeous. Sell zone comes right and kiss your 0 Fibonacci line. Look at that, boom, and there, boom, market goes up. So what is basically?
But you're saying that it's a still pullback, yeah? It's not a bearish yet. It's still bull. I mean, it's not bullish yet. It's still bearish, yeah?
Yeah, still in a bearish position. But most likely, this is what is going to happen. Now the market will fight back coming and retesting your brothers and sisters. Oh, actually, look at that. It came in retested this area here, right? So in there now, most likely market is gonna come back and retest this level here. It's gonna drop more. By that time, hopefully the month is over. And then boom, market will continue now in a buy position. But all we're missing, look at this guy here. Who is this guy here?
Yeah.
This will shift location and be here. And then everything will be a valid.
Okay, gotcha. Understood that one. Yeah,
Valid position.
that's what I was missing. The one I thought that the white arrow is on the bottom, so that's why I'm missing the point.
Good.
Yeah.
Always,
Okay,
always
gotcha.
pay attention, because sometimes it will not. Look, it will not make sense. It's if you in doubt, you need to be out. Don't force yourself. Don't overthink. If your rules are not clean, get out. Don't. If nothing is in there, it's like you fighting a war that don't belongs to you. Let somebody else fight it. But look at here, it's clean. This guy will switch location here. Yes, and now we are in a buy position. But what is gonna happen, it have to drop, because it need to make more correction before the market really hit back up. Okay?
Yeah, but there is a white arrow now. Yeah.
I'm sorry?
Oh no, oh no. I thought it's a white arrow. No, it's a yellow dots. Yeah, or it's a white arrow at the bottom.
It's the 4 hours daily with your magic arrow with the daily, they are inside of each other.
Hey, Irving,
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah.
Who's that? Yes, sir.
could you drop down to the 15 on this pair?
15 it was selling. Let's go here. What's your question on 15?
At this point, based on the time of the day, would it be too late to jump in? Because I'm looking at the 15-minute candle leaving a wick.
Right. So look, you trying to do what? Sell or buy?
Yeah, I'm saying, is it too late in the day to jump into a sell, being that the market is about to close?
Well, if you do, I will put my TP right at this low here.
Mm-hmm.
And just grab a few more pips in here.
Mm-hmm.
But
Okay.
try to get it from the beginning, from the start.
Yeah, no, I missed that.
Yeah, but look, you would have got all the money down.
Mm-hmm.
Because you right now, I mean, it's still good. To be honest, still gonna drop. So when I find good trades, guys, I don't care. Sometimes if I'm trading Sydney, Tokyo, my main time frame, my main sessions are always the New York and London. Because for me, that's what the money is. But sometimes I find setups before I go to bed, and I go like, holy crap. When I wake up in the morning, boom, I'm in profit. Look at right now, like today, I was copying the market, right? Let me show you this. Let me show you today's spreadsheet. Look at this one. So last Tuesday, I banked 110, right? So Monday, that's Monday. This Monday was 320. Today is Tuesday. The previous Tuesday, what color was it? Was 240. Look at today, 620.
Mm.
So I don't have anything for tomorrow. Previous Wednesday was 780. I don't have no data what is gonna happen tomorrow. Look at Thursday. Thursday was 310, and Friday was 175. So far I have only 2 days, Monday and Tuesday. That's it. And you do this. This is what the trader asked me yesterday, Irvin. Do you have bad losing weeks? Sometimes I do. Sometimes I just don't. Because look, if I'm making pips in here, I make sure I have a rules. I make sure anything that exceeds anything over $5, I move my trailing stop. If it takes me out, I'm happy with $5. But if you make $5 consistently over and over and over, you will get money out of it. Even 25 cents, you can still buy some hamburger. But this is what I do. I don't hesitate. I just take what the market give me, because the market is not my friend. I'm just here to get money out of it and keep moving, reinvest the money. Remember what I told you like 2 weeks back, guys. I find my scalping account for 1,175. I'm not making it up. I think right now, if I'm not mistaken, it's almost 13K doing that. In and out, in and out, in and out. Let me see. 13,241 and 34 cents. Nothing wrong. Look, right now I'm in AUD USD. I am on Euro GBP as a sell. Let's go to AUD USD. Because you're here with me live. We're doing this live. And where is it? Right here. Look at this one. I'm on this one. This is what I told you guys on Sunday the market was going to do. Said the market was going to drop. Yes, it went a little back up. I'm on this one real time right now, guys. Look, pay attention to this simple thing. This is a good trade to be in it. So let's go ahead and zoom out completely, right? Oops. Look at that. Who want to do this example? Unmute yourself. This is, please guys, do this for me. This is money here.
Okay, I'll do it, Irving.
All right. What's going on here?
Overall, it's bearish, the market.
Right. What is your second question?
Second question is, what are the brothers and sisters doing?
Right.
The brothers and sisters are at the bottom, so they're pushing up.
Real time, real time.
Real time, okay, real time. Real time, we have a the 4 hour, but
bearish.
was bearish.
Yes. So now the question is, if this is 100% bearish, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. I'm selling. Right now, I am $3.52 on this account, guys. I'm trading this. This is real. I'm trading this. I'm telling you what I'm trading. I'm not telling you to take this trade. I'm telling you what I'm taking. This is my real account right now. You told me everything is a sell. Why would I go and buy? This is what I predicted on Saturday. It's working. Look, I enter. Let me check my chart. Right now I'm $4.03. I enter right here. Let me see, right here in this week here. That's where I am. I'm not that much, only $4, guys. That's what I enter. So what am I predicting for the rest of the week is to be not sell. You told me it was a sell. Everything is telling me it's a sell. And that's what I'm gonna do. It's that simple. If you move, let's say you're scalping the market, right? You move to the 5-minute or 50-minute, it doesn't matter. Everything is selling. Look at 4 hours, 10, 4 hours, 10, I'm a sell. Believe it or not, 5-minute is selling as well. You like it or not, it's selling. This is what I'm telling you guys. No one can ever pull your leg. You can decide to leave me one day. Trust me. Look at that. Boom. All the money would it be yours. Boom. Look at that. In the 5-minute, look at how far it looks. I would have entered right now in a better position. Sure, I put my entry in there. Just let the market do whatever it has to do. You have to be patient. This is my entry here, right? This is what we draw on 4 hours, right? This is what I entered.
What's your SL on that?
Stop loss is always going to be 30, 40 pip above your 4 hours. 4 hours. Okay. Not on your entry time frame. Always on 4 hours. Always are going to be 30, 40 pip in here. And this is how you, some of you guys, I have to say it because I'm going to make you a better trader. If I don't say it, you're not going to be a better trader. If I say it, it's going to help you to be a better trader. Some of you guys sometimes send me a screenshot behind scene and private to me and say, Irving, can you analyze this pair exactly how you're seeing it in there? Trust me, guys, you, my sister, my son, whoever will never, ever understand what you are seeing here. If someone explain you how to trade looking at the market this way, walk away, man. Because this, you will never understand what's going on. All right, let me see what's the next pair that I'm trading in. Ooh, look at Euro GBP. I told you I'm gonna sell on that one. Got 60 bucks on that one. Look at that. Ha ha. I told you I'm gonna sell. Look at this, guys. I told you, I gave you this on Sunday, on Saturday. Look, this guy is a PV. I don't care about PV. I'm going with the trend. The trend is selling. Look at what I say on Saturday. So the market was gonna do a small PV, reversing. I'm sorry, continue back down, meeting 50 to 38 Fibonacci line. No, market, boom, it hit back down. I knew the market would sell. And then I said market was gonna retrace back and then continue back down because it's a sell. No, market never gave you that small PV. Supposedly this guy is a PV here, but no, look at that. Market is selling. Now let's see it let's see it from far away, right? Because this is all that matters. You need to understand and see this like a sniper. Now you become the sniper of the year. Look, boom, sell. Was doing a PV. This is what I got this. This is what I gave you the signal on Saturday. I saw this guy here, right? I say, okay, everything is selling. What would I tell you guys? The market is gonna go on the other side. Remember, I don't take every single trade that I give you setups, but some of these are my real trade, guys. Then look, boom. Look, another cool, amazing question. Yeah, I'm on, look, AUD USD went back up. Now I have another one on Euro GBP, $2.54 activated right now. You know what? Let me close.
Stop loss, Irvin, on EG.
EG. I don't know. Your stop loss, if you would, are you on this trade or not?
No, I mean your trailing stop. That's what I meant to ask. What would your trailing stop be?
No, your trailing stop always activated 30, 40 pips.
Okay.
Or either 50, 80, whatever you want. But let's say you would have been on this one. Let's say you would have ended on Monday, right? Because all this didn't happen. Most likely this candle here scared all the traders. They were like, oh my God, Irvin said the market was gonna drop. Sure. And then they saw this huge engulfing candle here. Remember what I always say? I always say when I see a huge engulfing candle, in my opinion, I always think, okay, market is getting exhausted. So I wait for this candle to close on the next candle. That's when I make my decision to either enter or wait until that candle close. Look at what happened in there. From there, boom, market drop. Why? Because everybody's selling. And look, boom. Now, let's say you would have entered on this guy here, somewhere, maybe, let's say you enter here. So always put your stop loss 30, 40 pips below here. Then as you're winning, this is your stop loss, right? As you're winning, let's say you already won this. Then move this guy, and switch it in here. And then you keep winning. Now it would be in here. Now, right where the market is sitting, so you would have put it right here. And you would go with the trend. If this reverse here and hit you back up, who cares? You already make tons of pips. And that's what you guys need to write down. Your rules, and execute your rules over and over and over. Don't expect your rules to work out on 1 or 2 trades. You need to at least take 20, 30, 40 trades. So like that, you can understand what you are doing wrong or what you are doing right. But this is what it works, right? Let's pay attention what I gave you on gold. All right, who wants to do gold? Because I gave you gold, guys. Gold was awesome. Look, market is dropping crazy, guys. It's dropping crazy on Euro GBP. Look at what I gave you on gold. Look, I call it, guy. I told you the market was going to be bearish. Look at the hit. Boom. This is insane. Was what, over 100 pips, if I'm not mistaken? This is insane. This is crazy. Look at this. 108 pips. 1,000. Jesus Christ. Woo. Look at that. I called it. I don't know who make money. Unfortunately, I was not on this one, but I got in early this morning, somewhere in here. Somewhere in here. And then I just caught a few pips and that was it. Because in my mind, I thought the market was gonna reverse all the way back up and then continue back down. But right now, the market is doing exactly what we know. Look at who just popped in right now. This is real time, guys. Look at here. Market is giving us what? It's giving us our favorite phrase, PV equal VV. This PV here, it doesn't have that strength to go all the way where it needs to go. Still, market still pulling back down. Why? Because we know the market is in a sell position. Look at how our stuff, our multiple time frame works, guys. We have rules, we trade with our rules. All you care here is Irvin. I'm just looking for sell. Yeah, sure you are. This PV here was strong. That's why I said the market was gonna reverse, guys. Pay attention, it was so damn strong. It broke all this level here. Boom, 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 boom. I said, okay, fine. Then, look, it came right at what our brothers and sisters in here. It did respect this level here. And then where they need to go next? You need to go to the next level, which is this guy here and this guy here. So it did respect 1, 2, 3, 4 time frame. And then market needs to take a break, right? From there. I mean, it did respect everything. And then it's doing a PV. Then if you need to get back in, I would not suggest to get back in right now because we trade with rules. What do we need to see in order for this guy to go back with the trend? Mike, what do you think we need to see here?
Need to see the 4 hour.
Exactly. The 4 hours need to pop in. When is that going to be? I don't know. Most likely it's going to reverse. It has to create a 4 hours indication in there. The market is going to continue as a sell position. Right now, all we have in our belt is that this guy is doing a small PV. That's all we know. But yeah, this guy here, we all know the market is selling. That's how I do it, man. Check this copy method, man. That thing is easy as well, man. Yes, sir.
It's Elliott. How you
Hey,
doing,
Elliott.
baby?
I was gonna say, where's Elliott today?
I'm listening. I'm listening. I'm like a sponge. I'm taking it all in.
Right.
But here, let's stay on this gold chart for a second.
Mm-hmm.
You see the red arrow right before the huge drop, the 4 hour arrow, sell arrow. If you waited for 2 dots, that big huge drop already happened.
All right.
You get what I'm saying? I'm a little confused about that. See, I've seen the price go through red arrows, go through yellow arrows without any dots. And I know that in the rules, you're supposed to wait for a couple of dots.
All right. So you're talking about this copy method. Let's go ahead and bring that.
No, I'm talking about, well, I haven't gone to the scalping method.
Okay. So let me go back to that one then. All right. So in here, look.
So for instance, the magic arrow, that's, well, for me, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but for you, it's like 5, right? So if you go down the magic arrow, there's your magic arrow. The move's already happened. And when I see a move like that, I'd go, well, geez, that's got to retrace a whole lot. It didn't. So you use the scalping method to get back in and pick up those few pips, right?
That's all I did. Because I knew here I was doing a PV. But always ask yourself this question, Elliott. Always pay attention to back data. Remember, back data would never make you money, but it's your roadmap. So always pay attention what this guy is doing, what your previous brothers and sisters is doing. If it did respect your previous brothers and sister, means it's getting exhausted, in my opinion. So it did respect this area here. So remember what I always say, I always wait for that huge engulfing candle. So that is kind of like giving me a heads up and saying, Urban, market is getting exhausted. So let me wait for the next candle to close. Then I will make that decision. If I would have ended on this guy here, anyway, market was here on Sunday. So I pay attention. Obviously, you were not here for me to explain you on Saturday. This was Saturday video. So I look at this guy here and I say, okay, so this is a good area for the market to drop. It already broke the first brothers and sisters. So it's going to a very high location as a PV. So the market was here. So I say, okay, from there market will come down. Yes, it went a little back up, but if you would have put 30, 40, 50 pips in there, you are on the trade.
Right. Right. Well, that's what you mean. If you look at the magic arrow and the 4-hour arrow on this, you're 30, 40 pips above that in a stop loss.
You got it.
Right. That's what I'm doing too. So the Audi trade that you're in, I'm in that a bunch of times too. You know, so far it hasn't really done very much, but I expect that it's going to do a lot by the end of the week. Yeah,
but don't if you banking, please learn how to take money.
I haven't gotten to a point where I made enough to take money. I'm doing penny trades here, multiple penny trades. You're doing lots.
Yeah.
So if it moves 10 or 15 or 20 pips, that's $2 or $4. I don't take that.
But
maybe I'm wrong.
Always pay attention to this guys previously. That will give you the answer. So like that, you will know. Oh, look, Elliot, always send a screenshot exactly like that, or either from far away. And this will help other traders as well. And boom, this was a perfect call. Let's say you would have put your, I think we discussed this in our previous session. You would have put your buy sell limit or your sell stop, however you want to do it. Let's say you would have put this, you would have been like, okay, if the market hit this location here, I'm going in. Let's say somewhere in here. So you would be nothing would have triggered your sell yet. You would have wait until that guy hit this location here, and then boom, you will be like, holy moly, happy life. This would be even 10 cents on this, and oh my God, that would be tons of money on it.
No, right, I got that. I'm just having trouble in my own head. I still don't understand the 5-minute scalp. I'm sorry. Maybe I'm stupid.
Yeah, no, that's fine. It's not for everyone, but it works. It works. I'm showing you evidence, guys. The last 2 months.
No,
That's right.
Believe me, I see your spreadsheet. Yeah. I know you're making money with it. I'm just trying to get it over here where you're making money and I'm making money. So I'm trying to ask questions to figure out how I can, you know, because I'm not having problems on the 4-hour. You know, that's my time frame.
Yeah. So so you do 4 hours and daily, and then come back to your 4 hours.
No, I just been doing the 4-hour, the straight multiple time frame 4-hour, and not scalping.
Look at this one, Elliot. It's right in front of your face. Look, I call this guy in here. Look. Look. Everything is telling you it's a sell. 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 All you got to do is sell.
No, sure, but here, put your line on the red arrow. What time is that for? What time was that for you?
Let me make this bigger. And here?
The little 4-hour, the 4-hour red arrow, right to the left of the magic arrow. What time was that?
Oh, that was 9 p.m. 9 a.m.
Oh, 9 a.m. Okay, so that's 6 in the morning for me. Okay, so that's something I missed.
Yeah, I mean, what kind of
No, I'm just saying
what kind of
I'm not
training
at the
do you use?
charts. I'm not at the charts 24/7. I mean, you're scalping, so I assume that means that come the morning when you're on the chart for a
Look,
couple few hours,
but
right?
even if you set up your chart, exactly what you're seeing right now here, obviously, I mean, on your phone, obviously, you're not gonna have the brothers and sisters. But trust me, when that brothers and sisters hit those level 75, 84, 1625, most likely you have your brothers and sisters on a multiple time frame. So that is a signal letting you know, okay, I'm in an amazing area. Let me go. You can just run to your PC for like 5 minutes and get in and out, because this don't take no time to be trading. In here, everything was set up for Sunday. Unfortunately, I didn't want to put this for our Sunday video because a lot of people they don't know much about it, and I'm gonna get them confused. So it may work for you, it may not. So, but this is a very easy to spot the trade as well. Just put it together in your phone and just take a look at it and analyze it sometime when you are doing, you know, whatever you're doing in the house. Just look at your chart on your phone and you go like, oh, I see it, I see. Everything will be right in front of your face, and then you go back to your chart, you'll be like, now I get it. Because sometimes you got to go back to history and start realizing where's the entries. Like for instance, in here, look at here, sell, but it was never a sell, it was still in a buy position. I mean, I'm sorry, buy.
Right. The SARs aren't in the right direction. I get that. I get that.
No, they did come in very late. Supposedly, look, supposedly you were in a buy here. This is your buy. This is your buy right here. This is where you knew you were in a buy. But
Well,
you
yeah, but the SARs are in a sell, so I
exactly,
wouldn't be taking that trade. I'd be waiting
exactly,
for him to. I'd say, okay, it hit that level, and look how long it was on that level. I mean,
exactly,
look, it's like a day.
exactly.
And
Now
I
you
would wait, until the
probably the next
parabolic
day.
changed direction, and then I would get it.
That's it, man. That's it. This is when you got like, wow. Thanks God I was not in it. Anyway, the system, if you would have gone through the system never told you to go on the other side until look, the system came in here. So yes, market still was trending down, still was going sideways. Boom, you got a trigger here. You got like, okay, I'm gonna buy here. You would be in and out, and profit, in and out, in and out. And then this guy pop in here. This is a fake out. I don't know what the trend is on. Oh, this is a sell. So are you looking for sell? So I'm not interested in a buy, but still it works. But look at that. As soon as I hit this area here, brothers and sisters pop in. Look at that, brothers and sisters. Same thing, man. It's just the only thing is you're not gonna be able to see this clean in your mobile because it's not for. This is a custom indicator. It's not gonna be available for
No,
mobile.
it can't go on the phone for
Right.
sure. But the RSI can go on the
Yeah.
phone, and the parabolic SARs can go on the phone,
Yep.
and the EMAs can go on the phone.
You got it. That is true. But this is a good question.
So then when you go to when everything's set up on the 4 hour and you've got your magic arrow and it's going with the master, well, it could go either way if you're scalping, but let's say it's going with the master trend, you have a magic arrow, your RSI went down to the cells, went up to the sell zone, you just go to the 5 minute and start selling, even if it's going in a different direction, because you know that ultimately, especially with that huge stop loss, it's going to go in the right direction for you eventually.
Yeah.
Is that kind of it?
Yeah, that's what I do. But I usually, sometimes the market don't play out quick as I want to. It's patient is the big key in here. Then I have to be in negative for a few hours, and then I'll suddenly boom, everything turned blue.
So during that period of time, if it's at a strange time in your day, like in the middle of the night or something, you might be checking your phone to see that then.
You know, when I check the phone in the morning, Elliot, sometimes I take trades overnight. Like that, usually that's the Tokyo session, and I go like, okay, I'm gonna take a session here. It's gonna pay me off on the London, because trust me, I don't have the time to getting up at 2 in the morning.
I don't either.
So
if I do, I'm really, I can do it maybe 2-3 days in a row before I lose my mind. So.
Right. So what I do is I put the order. I know I'm gonna be a negative in that time. Then I usually wake up around 6:30 to 7:30, and I mean 6 to 7 in the morning. And then when I check my phone, boom, everything is blue. I'm still on my bed and I'm still closing everything, because I'm still sleeping. So I close everything, and then I take a shower, come back, eat my breakfast, do whatever I have to do, and then I come back to my chart and I go, it's an awesome. I'll be doing that as well. And I mean, because I just follow my rules. I don't work, going against the rule. I let the rules work with my plan, and that's what it is. But this week, hey, I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. Tomorrow's Wednesday. But I mean, look at what I call you guys.
Well, if you did know what was going to happen tomorrow, we would call you Nostradamus.
Right. But look at what I call on Euro USD. I told you guys the market was in a bearish position. Look at that. Sam I was gonna drop, come back and retest at 23, perfect hit, and then continue back down. Look, USD JPY, boom, guys. And on and on and on. Look at that. Look, this is just the Saturday week video. 100% correct. I always tell you guys this is not signal, because I don't want you guys to be saying, okay, Irvin, I'm taking a trade on your signal. Some people, they don't have a multiple time frames, they think this is a signal. I mean, sure, it's still accurate. They still make money. There's this guy. He's not in a group yet. He told me that he deposited his account, I think was $380, if I'm not mistaken. And I think he had it at like 4,000 already. And he was like, oh yeah, man, I'm still checking. I'm still doing your signals. Once I hit 7,000, I'm gonna join you. I said, dude, I'm not doing signal. This is not. If you are trading just based on what you're seeing, but you don't understand, well, good for you that you're making money. But there's a lot of high risk traders, outside of our channel, that they use this as making profit. Sure, I don't care. The market is so big, man. It has billions of dollars in there. Why would I be jealous and don't trade? I mean, it's there. Yeah, guys, but that's all I have. I don't know if you guys have any question. I don't know if.
Yes, sir, I have.
All right, who's that?
Yeah, this David from Nigeria.
Hey, David, what's going on?
Yeah.
All right, what's your question?
Okay, please, can you look at USD chef for me?
What are you doing on that one before I go there?
Yeah, I was in for a buy.
Oops, I'm on the 15 minutes. I think we discussed this already. Okay, yeah, that was a nice.
Yeah, it was one of the first ones we did.
Yeah, that was a nice PV. We did this one already. Yeah, this is
Okay.
Yeah, it's good. So did you make money on this one? Because market's still bullish.
Not, yeah. I got out very early because because I get out very early because I just take a few pips because I've not been able to get my system set up properly the way it ought to be. So I was scared because I haven't seen the brothers and sisters at the top probably to give me indication to get out or remain in the trade. So that's the reason I get out, because
Yeah,
I've
that's
not been
fine.
able to
Hey,
set up my system very well.
that's fine. Look, you're here to make money. If your God is telling you to get out, just get out. Grab your money and run. But your goal here is to make money, not to be a negative. Even if you regret it later, you go like, oh my God, should have been in it? No, be thankful and say, God, I make the right decision. That's all it matters. But yeah, you were right. So this is, but this is gonna drop because the trend's still bearish. So it's forming in this area here a buy, but it's not fully there yet. So it's gonna come back down and then go back up. Okay.
Oh, okay. All right.
Perfect.
Thank you.
All right. Any other question? Is who was that person that sent me a message, man? I wish he could ask question now. Search. I don't know if Search is here, but he did ask questions about training. The videos are in there, guys. The one-on-ones are in there. So I just did another one-on-one yesterday. I'm doing another one-on-one this coming Friday. I'm gonna be trading, teaching two newbies at the same time. And then I'm gonna post it into our Gold membership. The reason I put them in there is because they do pay behind scene $159 so I can teach them how to trade. And then I just put them to you guys. You guys can review it. You guys don't have to pay that. And then anything that we are coming with the new features, they're always gonna be posted in there, because a lot of spammers, they're trying to, get all these freebies. It's not gonna happen. So I mean, that's the only way that I can secure you guys, that you guys in a great location. But so far, I mean, some of you are making good amount of pips, and that's what matters. Make money, make money, make money, make money. All right. Anyone else? Okay, we're gonna, Sarah is not here. That's good. Sarah, love to, oh, she's here. Sarah, any questions, Sarah?
No, Irving, I'm okay. I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, I was like, why is she not talking? Because she's,
I know I was confused with gold, but I get it really.
look, there was nothing wrong with it.
Nothing, yeah.
If you would have paid attention to it, it was nothing wrong.
I know, yeah, I understand. Thanks to God.
All right. Oh, MACD, that she's doing amazing trade. I was in NU. What is NU? New Zealand. Let me check what she said here. Let me put it in here. I don't want to mess up this trade.
NU is NZD USD.
Okay. Let me go. Let me check. But she didn't say what she was doing on that one.
Hey, Irvin, I was saying earlier that I think Fernando or Francisco, that's the one that he was looking at in the chat.
Oh, NCD? Okay.
Yeah. Should be a sell though.
All right, good. By the way, congrats. Look at her. Look at her. That's good. Look at her. Just by looking at the picture this far away, I know she's right. All right, so I don't know what's going on here. I think Fernando did ask this question. This is the question that he is screenshot that he sent. So let me go ahead and delete this guy here. Look at the space here, guys. There's a cap in here that we're missing information. That's why he was confused, and he's right to be confused. So in my opinion, it's a missing data. So we're still missing data. So at the end of the day, this guy here is still in a buy position. Look at that, still buy. So Fernando was right. Now, what she just said right now, the market is selling. Yes, it is. So she is doing a PV at this time, right? So if you know how to trade with rules, guys, even PV, you can bank well. Pay attention what she just said right now. Clean, letting us know. Look at that, brothers and sisters, pop in, letting us know it's a sell. Let's look at that, overbought as well. Look at the signal just came back. We knew when it broke that 63, but it was somewhere in here. All you gotta be patient. And nothing. It was still overbought until finally, brothers and sisters, pop in. All the indication drop, and now she's right. So now if you take a trade in here, I think I'm on this trade. Yes, I'm on this trade as a sell. And I think I sent you guys this trade early this morning when I entered somewhere in here. And then I cashed a whole rack of position in here. And I knew the market was gonna reverse back. Wait, and then I'm still on this one. Holy moly, guys. Look at that, Euro GBP, 110 bucks. AUD USD, back to negative 64 cents. On this one, I'm not there yet, but I bank on this one. Look, boom. Market will, in my opinion, this is what I think the market is gonna do, guys. Market from here, it will reverse. It will, this PV will be very strong. It's gonna come here. And then maybe next on, we are in November, right? Wow. Maybe in December, we are gonna see a downtrend. It's gonna reverse back and then boom, drop back down. But she's right. That's it. If, look at how simple it is. So she just told us what the market is doing. All you do is you go to 5 minute. 5 minutes, you bang, guys. This is what I did. Market is clean. Let us know on the 4 hours to sell. All you got to do, go to 5 minute, and market is doing exactly what she just told us. Pay attention. I hate when this happens. Look at that drop. This is a wacky chart. Look at that. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. If you want to sell, just go with the sell. Go with the parabolic and sell. But look at right now. Right now it's doing a PV. It's still in a sell position. It's still going to drop. But she was right. That's it. That's all you do. But that's good. I know she's banking really well. But this is good. The question that Fernando asked, Fernando's a veteran in this one. He knows. Any other question, guys? If not, then I will see you guys tomorrow. But so far, you saw the pre-week that I did. 100% on point. Can you check GBP JPY, please? All right, let's check the last one, and then we cut it off. Right here. But she didn't tell me. Who was that? That was Bemet. I don't know what this guy is doing. This is a buy position. There's nothing here. It's too late. You missed it, right? Look at that. It's way too late. There's nothing in here. Market still in a buy position. Look at this fake out. That's what I call this PV equal buy business. Because in here it's giving us a PV. And all suddenly, boom! It took all the stop losses. And it's still strong going up. You know, I know. Market is bullish. Why would you be selling? not even the PSR is going on the other side. So market is still bullish. So yeah, nothing wrong. Please don't even bother to enter on this one. This guy is buying.
Okay, Irvin.
Yeah.
This is where I would get a little confused based on the fact that we have the 4 hour sell candle, and if we look down at the RSI, it's pretty much saying sell.
No, I mean it's giving you the signal, but it's not ready yet. Not yet.
I would wait for a couple of parabolic dots.
No, it's not ready. I don't know when it's gonna be ready. It's getting exhausted. This is what I told you guys early. When I see this huge engulfing candle here, boom. Then I say, okay, market is getting exhausted. And then I wait for this candle to close. And then I make my decision on this candle here. If I have to enter based on guessing, because right now I will be guessing. I will rather be sure and wait for this guy to pop in. Right now, if I have to enter in here, trust me, I will win at the end, but I have to be patient. But I'm going against the trend. If I go against the trend, most likely I will put my TP right on the tip of this magic arrow and get out.
Can you go down to the 5 minute?
Yeah, the 5 minute. Yeah, the 5 minutes still pushing up. Let's go to the 5 minute. I don't do PV, man. Just go with the trend. You're gonna do better off, because PV is where it will get you confused, and you gonna give up on your strategy.
Okay, gotcha.
Look at that.
Every,
Still strong up. Nothing wrong.
you
Nothing.
know, every, okay, sorry.
I'm sorry. What was going on, Sarah?
Sorry, you know, like example, GBP, JPY, the master trade I know is bullish. I understand that, but all my big arrow dashboard, all of them, they show like a red, like bearish. I don't know why. Do you think there is something wrong?
It's your broker.
No, big arrow dashboard.
It's showing you better. Yes, it's getting to a point to drop, but it's not just ready.
Because from
We
one,
don't
all of them,
trade just
15,
because it shows that it's red. No,
yeah.
we trade with rules. Our rule says not to enter.
Yeah, yeah, but the dashboard, all of them, they show is like a bearish, like
Yeah.
from 15 minutes, half an hour, 4 hour, day. All of them is bearish. I don't know.
I mean, it's right. It's telling you, it's giving you a heads up, but is it ready? You're seeing it right now. Is it ready? No.
Okay.
Basically, everybody's going to the event, but it's not. You're not dressed up yet to go with them.
You think it's more better to follow the master trade, isn't it?
Of
That's
course.
Thank you.
That's what the money is.
Thank you. Thank you.
But this is a good question. So nothing there yet. Wait. And most likely this is gonna be another huge engulfing candle. Boom. You can take your trade on the next one. Now let's pay attention if there is another good area here previously. Ah, look at this one. Haha, look at this, guys. One is kissing this area here. If they respect that area, where is the next level gonna go? Boom.
Yeah.
So yes, so this area here is an amazing one to look for a sell. So your system is right. It's telling you it's gonna drop, but it's just not there yet.
Not yet, yeah.
Okay. Be patient. Don't
I'm
sell.
not,
Don't,
okay.
this
No,
one.
I'm not in already. I'm not.
Yeah, but this is good. That's a good question for both of you.
Thank you.
Yeah, but this is it, guys. Hopefully this class help you guys really to make money. Look at this one. Boom. I call it to be here. Oh my God. Look, this is one of my favorite pair, guys. Look, it was not ready yet. I was gonna drop. So I was gonna drop. Now still valid. Now, if I had to reanalyze this guy now, right where we are, I would say yes. Now it's time to go in a buy position. Oh my God, second week of November. We're coming almost to 100%, guys. All right, so that's all I have. Let's see if I don't know, one more last question. Anybody that never ever asked question here is more than welcome to come, interrupt, or keep learning. Oh, Fernando's here. Oh, welcome back, Fernando. I haven't heard from you. All right. Oh, he just rolled back. Okay, good. All right, guys. So that's all I have for today. So let's go back and meet tomorrow. Thank you again for coming in, and I will see you tomorrow. Stay safe.
Thanks, Irvin.
No problem.
Thank you, Irving.
No problem, guys. So take care and God
Thank you
bless.
very much. Thank you.
Take care, guys.
Thank you.
All right. See you.
Thank you. With love from Nigeria.
All right. Thank you. Appreciate that. Take care.